night or during bad weather. This project helps us learn about light, safety, and how important a lighthouse is.
Many ships and boats get lost or have accidents at night because the weather is bad, because it is dark and they cannot see far. This can be dangerous for the people on the ships. Materials used are cardboard, wires, LED lights, gum, switch, and a 9-volt battery. The objectives of these projects are to learn how light can guide ships at night, to understand how simple electrical parts like battery, bulbs, and wires work together.
Louia, what controls the on and off of the lights?
It's the switch, and here it is.
If the switch turns on and off, then what is the importance of the wire attached to it?
The wire serves as the conductor that allows flow of current.
Oh, that's good. Then why the LED panel?
It's a street light for safety of the environment.
Wow, beautiful.
Now let's see how the project works.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
I am going to turn on the switch so that we can see how the LED panel is.
I'm going to turn on the LED light so that we can see how it works.
Thank you. We are now going to move on to the next project. The next project is a bodybuilder.
My name is Lukman Agbedo, and here with me are
Aisha Dukabir.
The project before us is the bodybuilder robot. It is a robot designed to look like a strong man lifting objects with his arm.
Many people find it hard to carry heavy things. This can make them tired or get hurt. So they need strong people around to help. So we need a robot that can act like a bodybuilder to lift and move things easily.
Materials used. The mesh covering. It helps carry out instructions. The motors. It helps the arms move. And the LED model. It emits light.
The objectives of this project is to build a robot that can lift and move objects to show how robots help people to hard work.
The robot is built in a simple way. When the switch is on, the robot moves its arm. When it is off, it stops. It helps us understand how robots carry out instructions.
In conclusion, the robot that helps us learn how robots work using simple machines. We also learn that robots can help people carry everything easily. Thank you.
The programming. The robot is programmed to repeat function. It helps the robot continuously do actions. The move motor. It helps the motors move in the correct speed and in what direction. The time. It tells the robot at what time it should move its arm. Let's move on to the next project.
The next project is a smart pick and drop robot using AI. My name is supposed to do like that. And with me are my name is Salima Salisu, and with me are
Please can you show that bodybuilder show?
this project before us is called Smart Pick and Drop Robot using AI controller. This project focuses on designing a robotic system that can pick and drop items automatically with AI-based controller. It helps students demonstrate how coding and artificial intelligence can help solve real-life problems. Many people struggle with carrying and delivering items safely and on time, especially in busy places like schools, offices, or homes. Inefficient warehouses and stores need the robots for efficient movement and arrangement of the materials and products needed. The AI controller uses code to make decisions and deliver items automatically without human help. This makes work faster, safer, and more reliable.
The materials used for this project are 12 and 0 flexi, 6 budget, 2.0 BLE brake, 7.5 rectangular plates, high speed model, and big wheel.
The objectives of this project are to create a robot that can intelligently pick and drop items automatically with the aid of programming, to control the robot's movements and actions with programming. It helps students learn how coding and AI can help solve real-life problems. The robot works by following a program written in code. First, we write the instructions that tell the robot how to pick items using AI hand or body gestures for the movement. This shows how AI this shows how AI can control this shows how AI can control the real life actions of a robot. I'm now going to demonstrate how the robot There are three ways to control this robot, which are AI, the mobile control, and the remote control. I will be using the first two, AI and the mobile control.
Okay, let's move to the next project.
We will move on to the next project while the robot charges.
I'm still here, right? Yes.
The project before us is called How to Train a Traffic. This project is made a car can move and using steering of programming. The program aims to control the car while following the traffic lights, red, yellow, and green. Many accidents occur on the road because drivers do not follow traffic lights. Because drivers do not follow traffic. Because drivers do not follow traffic lights. Or there are no controls of cars. This can make roads unsafe for people. So we need a system that cars can be controlled and traffic lights can guide people. The materials that we use to build these car steering and traffic light simulators are the MEX core brain, the MEX motor, the spoiler, the LED module, and the wheels. What is the function of the spoiler?
The sport helps the car move in left and right direction.
Wow, I can see the wheel. What actually makes the wheel to move?
The next motor makes it move.
The objectives of this car steering and traffic light simulators that we made are to build a car that can move and turn using steering, to learn how programming can control both a car and traffic lights.
Now we are going to move on to demonstration.
Aviones.
We repeat the basics to just repeat this action. Repeat the basics continuously repeat action. Why this makes it all follow by first direction. Why this yellow please is press red. Why the red makes it stop. This anti-clockwise makes it go right. Why stop makes it stop. Clockwise makes it go right.
The conclusion of the car steering and traffic light simulators are the car steering and traffic light simulator was able to perform its function. It showed us how a car can move. It showed us how a car can move safely while obeying traffic lights. With the aid of programming, we learned how coding could control both a car and traffic lights. Thank you.
It's okay. Mr. Park. Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm ready.
Bring it to and tell it to you.
You can continue. You're not performance.
Take.
I'm now going to demonstrate how the robot works using AI. The AI uses hand gestures to move the robots. I did not connect it. Sugar. It's because I did not connect it. Should not connect. And finally, I can move this hook up and down. And finally, I can move this hook up and down.
So let's take that back.
The second way that I'll be controlling the robots today is by the mobile control.
We have the body gesture.
There is no body gesture, just hand gesture.
Okay, just hand gesture. Okay, let's have hand gesture.
Okay,
Then
please hold this.
you explain the hand gesture.
There are 7 hand gestures, which are to move forward, to move backward, to turn the robot left, to turn the robot right, to move the hook up and down, and finally, the last hand gesture is no hand. This will make the robot stay still.
What's the next one?
The goal of this robot is to pick the prop in front of it.
So the eye signifies up and is lifting the cups. Then the robot is moving backward to the right,
You can turn left.
to the left, rotate.
Thank you.
Then let's drop it, please. Drop the cross, please. So it's bringing it down. Try one more time. Okay. Okay, now thank you. Let's use the mobile control, please.
Disconnect it. Disconnect. Okay, don't worry, don't worry. Next. Just make. The mobile controller is like a remote controller, but instead of it having an actual remote, it is on the mobile screen. Just hold this. Just hold this. Thank you.
This robot shows that with the aid of programming, a robot can pick up and drop items automatically, avoid obstacles, and deliver things safely and quickly. It helps students learn coding and AI that they can solve real life problems and make coding and robotics fun and practical.
Thank you for visiting the Coding and Robotics Department tagged Innovators in Action. I hope you enjoyed our presentations and have learned something new. Thank you.
These are the kits we use to build our robots. They can be found in one fusion. This kit was used to build our
Bodybuilder.
bodybuilder and car with steering. This was used to build our smart spin and drop robots using AI controller.
and so many more. Thank you.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much for taking the time, and I hope you had fun with your presentation. Thank you very much. So, as mentioned, these two projects they actually basically were constructed from these kits we have here. So these kits they are actually Avishka kits. So Avishka is an India-based company, and the company that represents them here is Work Vision Integrated Services. So we actually have all of these kits here, and they're actually available for sale. So now this is will be going on break, and if you are thinking of getting something for them to keep them engaged this period, I would actually recommend that you get this for them. Because even though they will have screen time, at least it is going to be productive and creative. So by the time they resume back, they're actually going to be more advanced in robotics, coding, and so many other aspects as well. So thank you very much for the expecting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
You can say that's a very quick one. Let's have